Artificial intelligence has been evolving faster than ever, and now we're at a point where the competition between AI giants is hotter than ever. Two of the most advanced AI models on the planet, GPT-5.2 by OpenAI and Gemini 3 Pro by Google DeepMind, are making waves in the AI community. But the big question is, which AI is actually smarter? Is it the language-focused, creativity powerhouse GPT 5.2 or the versatile, multimodal Gemini 3 Pro? In this video, we're diving deep into every aspect of these two AI titans. Before we dive in, if you haven't yet, hit that like button and subscribe to NeuroWire Signal, your go-to channel for the latest in AI and tech. We simplify complex technologies and deliver them straight to you in an engaging way. Meet the contenders, GPT 5.2 and Gemini 3 Pro. Let's start with a closer look at the two contenders. GPT 5.2 is the latest release from OpenAI, and it's known for its advanced natural language processing capabilities. This AI is not just about answering questions. It can write essays, generate creative stories, code, summarize information, and even provide insights that feel surprisingly human. One of its major strengths is its creativity and reasoning ability, which allows it to handle complex and abstract tasks that require understanding context, nuance, and logic. On the other hand, Gemini 3 Pro, developed by Google DeepMind, is a multimodal AI, which means it's designed to handle multiple types of inputs simultaneously: text, images, and even code. Gemini 3 Pro has been optimized for real-time problem-solving, contextual reasoning, and delivering highly accurate answers when combining multiple data types. It's not just an AI that talks, it's an AI that sees, understands, and analyzes information across formats. Both of these models represent the cutting edge of AI, but they have different philosophies and design priorities. GPT 5.2 focuses on human-like language, creativity, and deep reasoning, while Gemini 3 Pro focuses on multimodal versatility, speed, and integrated problem-solving. So already, you can see the battle isn't as simple as just which is smarter. It's about which excels in which domain. Performance face-off. Who handles the brainy stuff better? Now let's get into the performance comparison. This is where the differences really start to shine. Language understanding and creativity. GPT 5.2 is designed for tasks that require sophisticated language understanding. It excels at creating stories, essays, scripts, and even code that are almost indistinguishable from human output. Its creativity is unmatched, making it ideal for writers, content creators, and researchers who need nuanced and imaginative solutions. Gemini 3 Pro is also capable of generating text, but it tends to excel more in contextual reasoning and structured problem-solving rather than pure creativity. Speed and efficiency. When we look at speed, Gemini 3 Pro has a slight edge in multimodal processing. Because it's optimized for handling multiple data formats simultaneously, it can respond faster when queries involve text and images together. GPT 5.2, while extremely capable, often requires more computational resources for complex tasks, which can slow it down slightly when handling large or multi-step prompts. Knowledge base and updates. GPT 5.2 leverages OpenAI's massive dataset, continuously updated with cutting-edge research and real-world knowledge. Gemini 3 Pro, being a DeepMind product integrated with Google's ecosystem, benefits from real-time information access and a wide array of multimodal datasets. This makes it particularly strong for up-to-date factual queries and research-heavy tasks. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to NeuroWire Signal. We bring the latest AI battles and tech breakthroughs directly to you, so you're always ahead of the curve. Deep dive. Real-world applications. Let's talk about how these AI models are actually used in the real world. GPT 5.2 is widely used for writing assistance, coding help, research summarization, content creation, and even AI companions. Imagine having a co-writer who can instantly generate scripts, essays, or even technical documentation for you. That's GPT 5.2 in action. It's particularly strong in any scenario that requires creativity, reasoning, or human-like understanding of text. Gemini 3 Pro shines in enterprise-level applications, problem-solving scenarios, and situations where multiple types of data need to be processed together. For example, it can analyze a dataset while simultaneously interpreting visual charts or images, giving a more complete understanding of complex problems. This makes it ideal for scientific research, business intelligence, and AI-driven decision-making. So, if you're looking for a creative assistant, GPT 5.2 is your go-to. But if you want an all-in-one problem-solving strategist, Gemini 3 Pro is unbeatable. The AI Showdown: Strengths and Weaknesses. GPT 5.2 is unmatched in language-based tasks, creativity, and nuanced reasoning. It is a powerhouse for content creation and advanced text understanding. However, it is not as fast when handling multimodal queries. Gemini 3 Pro excels in speed, contextual reasoning, and multimodal integration, meaning it can handle complex inputs that involve both text and images. Its creative output is slightly lower compared to GPT 5.2, but it compensates with efficiency and versatility. It's important to note that neither is universally smarter. It depends entirely on the task. For creative writing, GPT 5.2 wins. For complex problem-solving with multiple data inputs, Gemini 3 Pro is the better choice. User experience: how they feel to work with. Another interesting factor is user experience. GPT 5.2 feels very intuitive for human interaction. Its responses are natural, fluid, and sometimes even witty. Many users report feeling like they're interacting with a highly knowledgeable human. Gemini 3 Pro, meanwhile, has a slightly more structured and analytical style. Its responses are concise, precise, and highly task-oriented. This makes it feel more like a powerful research assistant rather than a creative partner. Creators who thrive on brainstorming and exploring ideas, GPT 5.2 provides more freedom. For professionals who need structured insights and data-driven solutions, Gemini 3 Pro is the go-to. AI in action. Real examples. To make this more tangible, let's look at some real examples. GPT 5.2. Example: a user asks GPT 5.2 to write a 500-word story about a futuristic city. Within seconds, it generates a creative, cohesive narrative with dialogue, detailed descriptions, and even plot twists. Gemini 3 Pro example: a user asks Gemini 3 Pro to analyze a dataset of sales trends while cross-referencing relevant market images and graphs. Gemini 3 Pro produces a detailed report highlighting patterns, correlations, and actionable insights. Future implications. What this means for AI. Looking ahead, AI will continue to evolve rapidly. Models like GPT 5.2 and Gemini 3 Pro are not just tools, they're foundations for the next generation of AI. We're likely to see more hybrid models that combine creativity, multimodal understanding, and real-time reasoning, effectively merging the best features of both. This competition is also pushing the industry forward. Developers, researchers, and businesses are now thinking bigger and bolder, exploring applications we could only imagine a few years ago, from fully automated research assistants to AI co-creators for art, writing, and even scientific discovery. Final thoughts and takeaways. To wrap it up, here's what you need to remember. GPT 5.2 and Gemini 3 Pro are both next-level AI models, but they shine in different areas. GPT 5.2 is your creative, human-like thinker. Gemini 3 Pro is your analytical, multimodal problem solver. Choosing between them isn't about which is smarter overall, it's about which is smarter for your goals. Before we go, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a deep dive like this. At NeuroWire Signal, we bring you the latest AI breakthroughs and tech insights, helping you stay ahead of the curve.